Hey guys, it's Justin here, and we're over at ACT Clutch checking out their new late model Camaro clutch. So I have Chris here to tell us all about it. So let's get into this clutch and kind of show some of the innovation that you guys did with this setup.
Oh, you bet, you bet. What we did is we took some of the mod twin technology that we started coming out with a couple years ago. We moved that into the larger platform for the LS type vehicles, into a forged aluminum cover over a 10.5-inch disc. And by doing that, going to the twin setup, we can use different friction materials. This one we're showing here is a race setup. You can go to different hubs, and it's as easy as swapping out what would be a sprung hub, more streetable, which is a sprung hub version. Swap it right over. If you want to do serious track duty, you can go to a solid hub, and there you go. Or you can swap over to, many customers are going to use street type discs, which still have great launching capability, but something you can drive on a daily basis.
Man, that's really awesome. So this is a clutch system that can grow with you and your car as, you know, power increases and different things prevail.
Absolutely, and the fact is, since we make our own diaphragm springs in-house, we have different levels of diaphragm because you don't need a 1,500 foot-pound clutch for something that's just got a cam and headers. So we've got different levels. As you step up and move and the boost goes up, or whatever you're doing with your setup, you can now put more clamp load on. The pedal gets a little bit heavier, but only when it needs to.
Super, super cool. So head over to summitracing.com and check out the full line of ACT products and this cool clutch that we have here. So until next time, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Chris here with ACT, and we'll see you guys later.